Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to second PU accountancy online classes. In the previous class, I solved two problems on calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Let me continue now. I'll solve third problem, that is page number 32 of question bank. Third problem, let me read and let me analyze the problem for you. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 3 by 8. They admit D for 1/4 share. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. There are 4 partners here. Old ratio is given and share given to new partner is also given. We have to simply calculate new profit sharing ratio of all partners. In the same way you have to calculate, that is you have to take new partner share as the base, then deduct it from the whole share, 1 minus 1 by 4, then distribute the remaining share in the ratio of their old share. In the old ratio, it should be distributed. So let us solve the problem. Calculation of new profit sharing ratios of A, B, C and D. Calculation of new profit sharing ratios of A, B, C and D. So given A is to B is to C is to D, that is old ratio 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8. It is not given, old ratio is not given because he is a new partner. New ratio dash 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 and 1/4 share is given to new partner for D, that is 1 by 4. Let us calculate. Let the total share of the firm be 1. After giving 1/4 share to D, remaining is 1 minus 1 by 4 or 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to, both are same numbers, denominators, so no need to take common denominator here, write the same number here. 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. This should be distributed. This remaining share should be distributed among A, B, C, A, B and C in their old profit sharing ratio. Therefore, new ratio of A is equal to his old share into remaining share. That is old share was 2/8. 2 plus 3 plus 3, 8. 2/8 of remaining share is how much? 3/4. 3/4 is the remaining share. So, of 3/4 or 2/8 into 3/4 is equal to 32. Straight away multiply 6 by 32. Therefore, new ratio of B is equal to 3/8 of remaining share, that is 3/4, is equal to 9/32. Therefore, new ratio of C is equal to 3/8, that is old ratio 3/8 of remaining share, that is 3/4 is equal to 9/32. So we got the new ratios of A, B and C, and new ratio of D is already given in the problem, that is 1/4. Therefore, new ratios of A is to B is to C is to D is equal to how much? 6/32 is to 9/32 is to 9/32 is to the new partner how much? 1/4 or 6/32 is to 9/32 is to 9/32 is to 1/4. I will convert this to the common denominator. 4 8s are 32. So multiply the numerator also by 8. So 8/32. 8/32. This is their new ratio. So it will be 6/32, 9/32, 9/32 and 8/32 among A, B, C and D. This is the new profit sharing ratio. While writing the ratio, you should reduce the, that is you have to remove the denominator so that it will be comfortable. So you have to write in one sentence, therefore new profit sharing ratio of A is to B is to C is to D is equal to 6 is to 9 is to 8. That's all. It cannot be reduced to lower number because all the numbers are not divisible by a common number. Now remember, when you get the ratio of all the partners, you just add these numerators all these numerators together and see whether it agrees with the denominator or not. Sometimes what happens, students will do something and they will do some mistake, and ultimately they will get a ratio, they will not check whether it is correct or not. If you check this, then you will come to know whether there is a mistake or not. See, 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 8, 32, denominator, it agrees with the denominator, that means almost your answer is correct. So, do this in examination. When you get an answer, you just check whether it is correct or not. Let us move on to the next, that is a problem. Fourth problem it is. Let us go through it. I will read out and let us analyze. Veena and Vani are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2. They admit Rani as a new partner for 1/5 share in future profits of the firm, which she gets equally from Veena and Vani. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Veena, Vani and Rani. Now, let us solve here. Given Veena, Vani and Rani, that is old ratio is given in the problem. Veena and Vani 3:2, old ratio 3:2. New ratio of Rani, how much? 1/5. 1/5. Yes. Now, it is clearly mentioned in the problem that Rani, a new partner, is admitted for 1/5 share in future profits of the firm, which she gets equally from Veena and Vani. That means the share given to Rani 1/5 is the combination of the sacrifice made by Veena and Vani equally. That means this ratio is the combination of the sacrifice made by Veena and Vani equally. So how we can calculate it? How we will come to know how much is the sacrifice made by Veena and how much is the sacrifice made by Vani? Equal. That means 1/5 into 1/5 into half sacrificed by Veena and 1/5 into 1/2, that is half sacrificed by Vani. That is, if we divide this share, the share of Rani, into two equal parts, that is the sacrifice made by Veena and Vani. So 1/2 into 1/5 and 1/2 into 1/5, that is the sacrifice made by Veena and Vani towards Rani to give her 1/5 share. Now, so let us calculate the sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio of Veena is equal to half of Rani's share. Rani's share is equal to 1/2 into, what is the Rani's share? 1/5 is equal to 5 2s are 10 and 1 1s are 1. This is the sacrifice made by that is Veena. Now, sacrifice ratio of Vani is equal to 1/2 into 1/5 is equal to 1/10 again. You know the formula, that is new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. You have to write like this. You must write the formula, very important. Remember this, you should assign NR so that While analyzing further, you can write just NR, it is enough. Without writing the short forms, don't use straight away short forms. Here, write OR and here SR. Now you can use SR, OR and NR because you have already assigned what those things are. Now, therefore, new ratio of Veena is equal to her old ratio minus her sacrifice ratio. Her sacrifice ratio. I will extend it here. Sacrifice ratio. So, old ratio of Veena was how much? 3/3:2, 3 plus 2, 5. So, 3/5 is equal to 3/5 minus share sacrificed by Veena. It is very clear. That is 1/10. So, minus 1/10. I told you in addition and subtraction you have to take common denominator. This number is divisible by this. 10 is divisible by 5. So, take this as the common denominator 10, or if you calculate also 5 and 10, you will get the same thing divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. See, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10. 10 is the common denominator here. Now 5 has been converted as 10. 5 twos are 10. So, multiply the numerator also by 2. So, 3 twos are 6 minus, write a symbol, 1 is equal to 5/10. This is the new ratio of Veena. Now, moving on to, therefore, new ratio of Vani is equal to her old ratio minus her sacrifice ratio. Her sacrifice ratio is equal to her old ratio is given in the problem 2/5 minus her sacrifice ratio. We have already calculated 1/10 is equal to, take 10 as the common denominator. 5 twos are 10, multiply the numerator also by 2. So, 2 twos are 4 minus 1 is equal to 3/10. This is the new ratio of that is Vani. Therefore, write here final answer. Therefore, new ratio of Veena, Vani and Rani is equal to, write their ratios, 5/10 is to 3/10. New ratio of new partner Rani is already given in the problem, that is 1/5. 1/5 or 5/10 is to 3/10 is to bring it to the common denominator 10. 5 twos are 10, multiply the numerator also by 2. So, it will be 2/10. Now, check whether your answer is correct or not. 5 plus 3 plus 2 comes to 10. It is correct. So, write it therefore, or you just write or 5 is to 3 is to 2. This is the new ratio of Veena, Vani and Rani. This is how you have to solve whenever the sacrifice is made by the old partners equally. Here the new partner share is the base for us, and we have to divide it into two equal parts, and each of the parts are the sacrifice made by the old partners. If you deduct the sacrifice ratio from your old ratio, then you will get the new ratio. This is the formula. You must write the formula in examination, remember. And without assigning these short forms to the complete, that is word, don't use short forms, because they may not consider this short forms, and they may deduct 1 or 2 marks in examination. This evaluator may deduct. They have the right to deduct. So be careful, do it present it in a proper way. So with this we have solved fourth problem. I will take up the other problems in the next class. Write assignment for you. Solve this problem, that is Veena, Vani and Rani, and submit it on time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.